Hey, someone hitting a dab?
I think someone's hitting a dab.
What the hell? Who's hitting a dab in here? Oh shit, Leo hitting a dab? Thought you were hitting a dab in here for a second.
What?
Thought you were hitting a dab in here without us. Damn, that's a new gauge? What is this?
Do that shit again? Yeah.
That shit's badass. Good right there. But you get 9 pounds?
Yeah, it peaked at like 9.
So Leo's testing his new boost gauge out right now. Thing is so sick. If you guys fuck with this, want to see more content, drop a like on this video. Alright guys, so I brought out the Civic. My plan for today was to clean this out and start like sanding it down, but fuck, there's a lot of stuff in here, guys. I was also throwing a bunch of shit out, but this is pretty much the essentials. Probably a few more things I could throw away, but yep. Alright, so real quick, I'm fixing this. I lagged on it because I have cheap ass tools and Leo has godly tools. Look at this, literally effortlessly, well thanks to him, muscles. But yeah, now we're gonna pick out that O-ring right there and put in the new one. That little shit making me leak, man. Out with the old, and then with the new. Alright guys, so I'm gonna start by just sanding everything down and just degreasing it by the same time, so let's get it. Alright, so shout out to Jesse for being my cameraman. I got my gloves. Shout out Chase's. He pulled up. But yeah, come check this out. So I literally used like almost a whole bottle of fucking Simple Green in here. It's disgusting. We got rat shit and a bunch of other shit. So
smells like dookie.
Yeah.
If we have 4D, y'all can smell how dookie it smells.
Yeah, so I'm gonna scrub this shit up. I should be wearing a mask, but whatever. Scrub it up and then vacuum it up and we're gonna primer her. So and it's fuck Jesus.
And then fuck Jesus day.
That's mostly dirt and gunk. That was a little bit of
that shit, bro. That's dookie water. I'll give you $20 right now.
No.
If you lick it.
Hey, if you lick it, you'll be fucking in. So,
Andy realized something.
Hey, I realized I was scrubbing a lot of rat shit water, so you know, I want it splashing in my face. So.
Bro, look how dookie.
I'm not trying to discover. Can you explain?
Oh shit, I know what that is. It's too.
What's up?
What's up?
Hey, when you gonna lower it?
I'm waiting. I'm waiting. My God took it the cold over.
Oh, you're still trying to fix it? Alright, so there's actually a drain hole right here, guys. It's like a rubber piece and you just gotta like smack it out.
Looks like seam suit or something on there.
Yes sir, now we got a drain plug. There's the water draining out.
More water.
Alright, more water.
Yeah, in the bucket.
Alright.
Hey, isn't that crazy that God can snap on too?
What, this?
Yeah.
This is Snap-on?
Yeah, look.
Oh my god, fucking Leo, bro. I didn't even realize that.
He told me. He's like, hey, look at the logo, and I was like, what the heck? And the Snap-on.
What a savage.
Man, to Snap-on everything, bro.
Everything, bro. Fuck it.
Hey. Yeah. You got that right. Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah, look at that.
Oh, shit.
Pull out the extender on me.
Yeah, okay. Damn.
Give me some water. I'm gonna give me some water. They need some more water. I'm gonna give me some water. But...
High as hell right now. Yeah, for real. Woo! We hotboxing in here.
What we doing?
We hotboxing. Alright guys, getting some progress done. That side is not primered and just doing this side now. Guys, every time I try working on the Civic, it's always windy as fuck. Look at this. I swear I have a good mic setup, guys. Every time I come, I swear it's windy as fuck. I don't know why. Alright, what color are you gonna paint that? Pink? Or green? Yellow, green? Oh, shit's gonna look sick.
Fuck it.
Fuck it, green?
Fuck it.
Hey, did you put on your lip?
Yes, I did.
Oh, let's go check it out. Let's go check it out.
Yeah, let me show you on my car.
Damn, this thing's looking savage. My boy, what kind of lip is that?
It's a silk blaze lip.
Hey, what'd you call me?
What the fuck you call me?
Nah, so my boy put on his lip. What'd you say one more time?
Silk blaze. Silk blaze.
Hey, hold on. What'd you call me, bro? Hold on. Damn. So.
Straight from Dubai.
Dubai?
Dubai.
How long did that take for it to come in?
Like 2-3 weeks.
Damn.
Yeah,
Hey.
I do be buying it though.
Hey, is it worth it though?
I do be buying it though. I do be buying it.
Yeah, no, that shit made a huge difference, bro. It's crazy what lips can do, bro.
Honestly, dude, I still got other stuff coming in too.
That shit looks good.
Thank you.
Hey, I'm gonna peg you. Alright, so I ran out of primer. I only bought 2 cans. I'm gonna need to buy probably like 2 or 3 more, but this is what he got done for today. So all this is now clean and just needs to be painted pretty much. So the color I'm gonna paint it's gonna be the same as the base. So just gonna primer it and then paint it. It's gonna be that nice glossy gray, just like the engine base. So should look good, guys. Alright, so since I'm out of primer, I'm gonna see if this Type S throttle body will fit. Alright, so this is the stock one. I can't use it because it's drive-by-wire, but I guess I do need an adapter to run this one. So yeah, just gonna order it, but it's not bad. It's like 60 bucks and I'll be able to run this Type S throttle body. So just gotta wait on that. Yeah, that color change is so sick. I'm honestly telling you right now, if you see it on my valve cover, don't be surprised, okay? Just don't be surprised. What do you think, Jess?
I love it, honestly.
Oh, dude, on my bike too.
Oh yeah.
I've seen it more.
Oh yeah, this is right here in the sun. Woo, that looks really good. So just to show you guys what it looks like. My boy put on the grill back. See how it looks?
I mean, it's better than no grill, but I still want the GDM Lucino grill.
The Lucino would be fucking sick. That mesh grill.
Yeah.
This reminds me of the grills on the, what's those Lincoln cars? Is it the LS's?
Yeah,
the Lincoln
430s.
Yeah, the Lincoln LS 430. Looks clean though.
Like a white 33. The CMOS.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So this is what it feels like to be behind the wheel with some boost gauges right there. How you like them?
I like them. It surprised me how accurate, or not accurate, but like how like the response time is. This one, so there's no vacuum gauge that goes all the way up to here like a regular like analog
Yeah.
boost gauge would be. It uses a pressure sensor.
Oh, okay.
Just hook it up to a vacuum line and voila.
Damn, so that's it?
Yeah, that's it.
Sheesh. Pretty fancy. So it looks like with the grill back on. It's fucking good. Alright guys, so basically what I figured out, so Eibach is the 13th, September 13th, so from right now that's about like 10 weeks guys. So 10 weeks Civic has to be done. What do you guys think? Think we can do it? 10 weeks. So I really want to take the Civic and the S2000, so for sure the S2000 is going no matter what, but the goal is to take the Civic. So 10 weeks guys. If you guys think we could do it, smash that like button because it really helps the videos. And yeah, it just really helps our videos get put out more. So if you guys want to see the Civic at Eibach, I don't know if you guys are going. If you guys are, comment down below if you guys are planning on going. But for sure we're going to be there. But yeah, Civic, 10 weeks. Let's get it. Really gonna try to get the Civic there. My boy doesn't have a Honda anymore, so you know I'm gonna let him drive the S2000. Jesse says you're gonna bring back the Accord, right? For Eibach or no? Sorry, bro. I was just kidding.
We're just fucking kidding.
We're just kidding, bro. Yeah, I was just kidding. Jesse, I was just kidding, bro. Bro. Yeah, so I think we could do it. Did some pretty decent progress today. Honestly, it's not even a lot, guys.
Bitch, I'm even. Bitch, I'm even.
Alright guys, so that's it for today's vlog. These guys are actually, what are you guys gonna go pick up?
Some OEM seat covers.
See, some black ones?
Yep, some match my interior.
There you go. So they're gonna go do that. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna edit this vlog for you guys because I told you a lot of content is coming. And as soon as I upload this, I think I'm probably gonna upload this Friday, so.
What?
Alright, so yeah, I think I'm gonna edit this for you guys today and upload it Friday. So yeah, I'm trying guys. This will be the 4th vlog this week. I'm gonna try coming up.
4th?
Yeah, it's gonna be the 4th.
I love it.
Thanks, G. Yeah, so yeah, I'm gonna try to keep it up. But yeah, I'm gonna head home. Already cleaned up. Hey, time for the bike now. Time for my boy got all these toys.
And he's gonna pull in the moment.
And they gotta bring in this one. So yeah, so that's it for today's vlog, guys. In the next vlog, the Civic's interior is for sure gonna get done. And then put the dashboard and try to make it look, you know, like an actual interior. So that's gonna be for the next vlog and whatever else happens. Maybe Leo will do a burning out wheelie going down the street. I don't know. We never know here at Brookbush. Who the fuck? What? That's a man. That's a whole man right there. Damn it, Leo! You make me want to bike.
Fuck it.
Hey.
That's what I said.
Should I just get R6?
Do it. No, you should start an R like 300.
R300?
R3.
R3?
Yeah, you never ridden a bike, have you?
R1? That's it for today's vlog, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, give it a big thumbs up. If you guys are new, hit that subscribe button. You got anything else for them, Jess? You got anything else for them?
Be safe.
Yeah, be safe, guys. For real. It's crazy times. Alright, see you on the next one. Later.